Have you ever wondered where creativity thrives more vibrantly? Is it in the bustling corridors of business, or within the tranquil halls of academia? In the world of business, professionals and technologists operate within a landscape driven by market forces. Creativity here is not just encouraged, it's a survival strategy. Companies depend on innovative ideas that can be quickly transformed into profitable products or services. This urgency to commercialize can spur intense bursts of creativity, but there's a catch. Dr. Hwa A suggests that this pressure to deliver market-ready solutions often leads to incremental improvements rather than groundbreaking innovations. The focus is on enhancing what already exists, refining rather than redefining. Contrast this with the academic sphere, where the environment is markedly different. Here, creativity is nurtured under the safety net of tenure, where salaries are secure. And recognition comes from peers through citations and prestigious awards like the Nobel Prize. This security allows for a deeper exploration of ideas, unconstrained by the immediate demands of commercial viability. However, Dr. Lim notes a shift. Academia is becoming more entrepreneurial, increasingly having to justify its worth to those who hold the purse strings. But what about the brain's reward system? Both sectors use rewards and punishments as motivators, but this could be a double-edged sword for creativity. In education and business alike, rewards often lead to mechanical and repetitive work, making tasks uninteresting and stifling true creative potential. When the reward is the main driver, the essence of creativity gets lost, overshadowed by the pursuit of external validation. Yet there is a persistent war for talent between these two realms, depending on various factors like economic development and cultural beliefs. Each region of the world faces unique pressures that shape its creative landscape. In places like Silicon Valley, for instance, there's a notable culture of breaking away from traditional academic paths to pursue tech ventures, a testament to the region's entrepreneurial spirit. Despite these differences, universities and tech companies each have unique strengths that contribute to the broader spectrum of creativity. Universities, with their ethical guidelines and multidisciplinary approaches, are bastions of blue-sky research, tackling big questions that require long-term visions. Tech companies, on the other hand, excel in rapid innovation, turning fresh ideas into applications that can quickly impact the market. In conclusion, both academia and business environments offer fertile ground for creativity, each with its distinct methods and outcomes. The key lies in leveraging the strengths of both worlds, combining the visionary depth of academic research with the agile problem-solving prowess of the business sector. By fostering a synergy between these two domains, we can unlock a more holistic approach to innovation, one that not only anticipates market trends, but also addresses fundamental societal challenges.